Introducing the Saramonic SR-MV2000, a versatile USB studio microphone that's perfect for podcasting, live streaming, voiceovers, virtual meetings, and more. Tailored for spoken word, it features a large diaphragm cardioid capsule that focuses on your voice, minimizing external noise from the sides and rear, reducing unwanted background noise and reflections, delivering a dynamic, professional vocal sound with all the warmth and punch to make your voice stand out. I'm so happy to have you all joining me live today. Please feel free to drop any questions you have about today's topic and what we're retouching in the chat, and we'll get started. Oh, great question, Tyler from Ann Arbor. Hello. We will get started with the necklace first. It features internal pop and plosive protection, so you always get great sound without a bulky pop filter. The SR-MV2000 makes dialing in the perfect levels simple with its tactile input level control. A 3.5mm headphone output with volume control lets you monitor in real time. A simple press of the volume lets you switch between monitoring the recording application to latency-free mic monitoring for even more control. It also features a multicolor LED meter that indicates the input level and headphone output level. Designed for function and style, the SR-MV2000 has a sleek, professional design that looks great on camera. The included magnetic tabletop stand is designed to absorb bumps and impacts without ruining a recording. Pull off the stand to reveal a 5/8" mount for use with a broadcast boom arm or mic stand. A 360-degree swing mount allows you to quickly adjust the mic to the optimum angle. The SR-MV2000 also features simple plug-and-play operation, allowing you to just plug it in, open an app, and start recording or streaming. Connect to computers with USB or USB-C, or connect to Android devices and iPads with USB-C. You can also use the SR-MV2000 with iPhones and iPads with Lightning, with the Apple Lightning to USB adapter. The SR-MV2000 makes it so easy to get detailed broadcast quality sound anywhere, to nearly any device, all for a really remarkable price.